Easter chicken, 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 Easter chicken. The Easter chicken is born at a very young age, and he also had a mother and father, but his father had Easter chicken, Easter chicken, Easter chicken, Easter chicken. He went to school 'cause he had to and met some friends, but people always had Easter chicken, Easter chicken, Easter chicken, Easter chicken. He graduates from college 'cause he's smart and fun. Easter chicken, Easter chicken, Easter chicken, Easter chicken. He made a translator for the animals so they could speak to each other and be well. Easter chicken, Easter chicken.